Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mansi and I make videos on makeup tutorial, product reviews, fashion hauls, hair tips and tricks. So in today's video, I wanted to make a video on Myntra kurti set haul. I purchased 4 kurta sets from Myntra. I really like and enjoy buying kurtas and ethnic wear from Myntra because it is so nice quality, it is so discounted, and when you will buy these kurta sets offline, or if you will buy any kurta sets offline like with the top and the bottom both, then you will have to pay at least 3,000 or 4,000. But Myntra has some amazing discounts and I almost get all my items starting from rupees 1,000 to like 2,000, and that's the range I mostly buy my kurta sets. I'm in the size medium, and when I order the size medium, 99% of time it fits me like a dream. There is no way that I have to tighten it or loosen it from any area of my body. So if you want to buy kurtas or kurta sets for your work, for your office, for your wife, for your sister, for gifting or any other thing, or just like that, then Myntra has some amazing variety, guys. So in today's video, I will share with you my experience and my purchases of 4 kurta sets from Myntra app. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching.
Guys, I had an amazing response on my Sarojini Nagar haul and I felt so inspired that I should make some more hauls for you. So if you want to have more hauls from me, then please do subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell down below so you will be notified whenever I make some amazing videos for you. So you can join the M team. So yes, without further ado, let's get started.
So the first kurta set I purchased is this one. Isn't it just beautiful? Just look at the leaf print it is having. It is in off-white and mustard straight kurta. It is a keyhole neck and this short sleeves, and I really like this sleeve, guys. This is what caught my attention, and this is just a plain cotton kurta and I really enjoy. This is a perfect kurta for office wear or college wear, or if you want to gift it to somebody. And this is from the brand called Libas, and I got it for rupees 945 along with the plazos, which I will just show you. So this kurta set was originally for rupees 2,000, but I got a discount at rupees 945. So along with the kurta, you get this amazing palazzo. It has a slip-on closure and this style on the bottom of the palazzo, which really caught my attention. I really like this, and at the first sight I just wanted to buy this. This has this different print which will look very good in contrast with the kurta. It is also 100% cotton material. I'm in the size medium, guys, if you're wondering, and this has elastic also, and as well it has a pocket sleeves also. And if you want to put your hands inside for style or just modeling purpose or photograph purpose, it will look very good, guys. So I really enjoyed this. And guys, just to inform you, I purchased all these items by myself. This is not a sponsored video at all, and I got a discount of rupees 500 because I purchased from my ICICI debit card. So I'm not sure if the deal is going still on, and I will also link all the products in the description box below, so do check it out. So the next kurta set, which I think is the most expensive of all, is for rupees 1762, but the original price was 3,500, guys, and it is a steel. Kurta set also has a dupatta with it, which is beautiful, guys, and I'm really happy with this purchase. It is a green and gold anarkali and it goes to the floor. It is a floor length anarkali and I just love the print. Can you just see the print? I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is a gold print and it has a keyhole on the back side, and the sleeves are quarter sleeves and this has no slit in it. It is a beautiful anarkali, guys. I think this will look very beautiful in any party, especially mehendis or sangeet or summer weddings if you don't want to fuss around. This kurta is 100% pure cotton. I really love the button detailings over here. Along with the kurta, you get this amazing matching green churidar. So this churidar is also having hooks on the bottom, so you can adjust it according to your size, and it has elastic. What more can you want from this? I really like that this churidar is having polyester material and not cotton material, because I don't like the fitting of cotton churidar. It has a jeep sa fitting, if you know what I mean. Along with the kurta, you are also getting this dupatta with a gold border. As you can see, it also has this print which is similar to the kurta, and I really enjoy that all of the things are matching and in a concept way. This dupatta can be worn like this or just as a scarf and it has amazing length, guys. It has a perfect length, so if I wear it one side, then it will not look short or very long. Really enjoying this churidar set. Who gets a churidar set for 1700 rupees? And I am in the size medium again. The item I got is from Vishuddh, and this is a lovely brand. I really enjoy this brand. I got it for rupees 1372 and originally it was for 3049. So this is a beige and a brown palazzo kurta set. It is in the material viscose rayon. It has mandarin collar and this button detailings all over, and I really enjoy the fit of the viscose material because it fits really nicely. And if you buy kurtis from W brand, then you will notice that they have all the kurtis mostly in the material of viscose, and I really enjoy. It has 3/4 quarter sleeves like these, and it has roll up style, so you can roll up the sleeves. This type of kurta sets looks really flattering. I must tell you, I'll really enjoy to pair it with some silver jewelry. So along with that kurta, you're getting this amazing big plazos. It has such a beautiful silver print going on. Just look at that. And it really caught my attention, guys. It has this elasticated waistband which you can adjust according to your waist size, and I really like the fit of this plazos, guys. I really like that this is in the contrast with the beige, and beige and brown will look so earthy and so comfortable in summers. It is so pleasing on the eyes. So the next item I bought is also from Vishuddh. This is a 3-piece set. And it is sleeveless. I got it for 1844 rupees and originally it was for 4099 rupees. So isn't it a steal, guys? And when I will show you what the product is, you will just go mad. This is a rust and orange anarkali set, and this is the jacket. Can you just appreciate the print? I mean, I'm in love. I just love the rust colors, especially in summers. These are so wearable and so pleasing in the eye. It has got these button detailings, if you can see, and it is sleeveless, and it is a jacket. So underneath there is a kurta, well I will just show you, and it has a slit like this. You can just button this up and just wear it with the churidar it is having, or you can wear it with the kurta underneath. I really like 3-piece kurta sets because you can wear it in different styles, and this can be also worn like a shrug with another clothing item. So I really enjoyed this jacket. Along with this, you're getting this beautiful anarkali kurta. It is also sleeveless. As I mentioned earlier, you can just pair this anarkali with the churidar, or you can just wear that jacket with the churidar, or you can wear 3 at the same time. It will look absolutely beautiful. It has these small prints going on, and this is ankle length and anarkali style. I really like this. So along with the kurta, you're getting these plazo pants which I really like. This is so amazing quality. Plazo is having elasticated band and it will fit really nicely. It is matching to the kurta underneath, and it is in the viscose material, and I really enjoyed this. Yes guys, this was my Myntra try on haul for you. I really like filming these hauls for you. So if you like this video, if you found it helpful in any possible way, do press the like button. I post videos twice a week on my channel, and I have some amazing content which will be coming up on my channel. So if you want to see more, then do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload, because YouTube doesn't notify you if you don't press the bell icon. So yes guys, that's all from my side, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.